Morning, guys. It is a great day. It is Friday the 18th September 2015, and we are getting ready to go hunting, dove hunting, the greatest thrill of mine. And thankfully my boys enjoy it as much, and I'm getting to take them as well. Alright, time to go wake Anthony up. It's 4:10. Lady, 4 o'clock. Let's go. He's not excited, but that's all right.
I get to breathe this.
That one is. So, get me some oat bake, some delicious breakfast my wife makes up. Get about 5 ounces, maybe even do a little more. Oh, there we go. That's good enough. Store it in the refrigerator. Put it in the microwave. What?
We made it.
No. So taking the oat bake out and gonna put some frozen blueberries on. We're just thoroughly enjoying the moment. I tell you, we've tried to do this every year since the oldest one was little, about 10 years old, 8 years old. I grew up in South Texas, and so that is, outside of Argentina, probably the best dove hunting in the country, in the United States, in the world. And if you know of a better place, then suggest it. But I guess it's because it's home, it's where I grew up, and I thoroughly enjoy it. I get to go see family and friends, and I want to bring you all along for the ride. Enjoy. Alright, we'll see you later. Alright guys, so we are somewhere south of Victoria, which is about an hour and a half, 2 hours from where we live in Houston. And if you're one of these type of drivers that always stays in the left lane, I don't like you. I'm just telling you right now. Man, nothing more annoying than people that drive the speed limit and are in the hammer lane. That's what the left side is called, the hammer lane, so you can lay their hammer down. So if you're one of those kind of drivers, get over yourself too. You're not that important that you get to drive in the hammer lane. Move. Nobody loves you. Nobody cares about you except you. Okay? So be safe to all the other drivers and move over. That's big. You gotta see the airplane that's going on. Well, we've been here a while. I just didn't take video, but look who we got. Andres and Anthony. And there's my brother.
Big Daddy.
Yeah, he's my older brother.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna go eat because we're hungry.
See ya.
Last time you left your guns in the damn back of the truck too.
Oh, look.
Yep.
I don't think he's even recording it.
We're at Coco's having dinner or lunch. Then we go hunting. All right, guys. Doesn't take much for this boy to go out.
¿Y quién llegó? ¿Quién estaba con ustedes?
And we ain't even been hunting yet.
O digo cuatro, que estaban cuatro ahí.
Looks like I got another one. Guys, in case you can't see this, these birds are flying like crazy. We got Andy and his team over there. We got Jimmy, his boys over there. Got Anthony here. Andres, the chulo man, right there. All right. And we got tired old Amos right there. Get down, Amos. Get down, sit. Boy. Good job.
Last two have just been one shot.
That's the way you do it. Too late. Right there in front of you. Fire, bring him. Lead him.
Man, they always come around whenever I start moving.
Yeah, I hear you. I ain't worried about it. You know why? 'Cause there's
So
no
many.
more.
Decided to write a song for my hero. Sit around.
Man, guys, I tell you what, it's been one great day bird hunting.
He's a wonderful
We got here, I want to say about 3:30, and we've limited out. We've got, let me see here, 2, 4, 3, that's 5, 8 of us. Man, I tell you what, we put them dogs through something. They are wore out. Plus, they're getting old. But I'm gonna go say hi to Jimmy and to Nathan and to Jesse. Well, Nathan, you you're welcome, buddy. You're welcome. Yeah, buddy. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. That's amazing. Guys, talk about having a good time, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, buddy. Hey, don't.
This is it right here.
This is it, man. Don't get no better than when it comes to dove hunting.
It's
And
not
man-
as good dove hunt as you're gonna find here.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Look at there. There's another one.
Good teeth over here, man.
Yeah.
Well, just it's hard to tell.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's a white man. Ring,
Right.
I mean, sometimes
Because the
you can
sun's
tell for
getting
sure.
down and it's getting dark. You
The
see
light,
it.
you can tell the difference.
It's definitely in the light. Yeah. But
Your dog working pretty good down there.
man, they are wore out.
I seen him about halfway through there.
Yeah.
Also,
Yeah, it was. Look at that, man. Yeah.
When it all comes down to zero, nothing more this life ever gives. And I know I'll never find another hero, not another one like him. And if I'm half the man he is when I die, I don't know if I could ask for too much more. Taught me you only need one hand. Count your real friends in this life. If I'm true love, better take both on. Hold on to your soul.
Look at my sister. How you doing? Say hi to Timmy. Yeah, baby, I'm still awake. Look what I got.
When it There's nothing more this life could ever give. And I know I'll never find another hero, not another one like him. Decided to write a song for my hero, considering he's done so much for me.